Sabi ni Alsen, pinakalas na po, ilan po ba dapat ang emergency fund? Isa lang, no? Plan ko po kasi sana is for personal stuff, iba din po for emergency. Pag isa lang kasi emergency fund ko is nagagamit ko lahat. Okay. Kasi pwedeng dalawa. Yung unang emergency fund for your personal emergency. Yung pangalawa is for family emergency. But technically, you just need one. Kunwari, personal, kung ang iisipin mo lang ay yung personal na gastos mo, let's just say na 10,000 a month ang gastos mo. So times 6, dapat 60,000 yung emergency fund mo. Pero kasi may pamilya ka, you also support your family. Yung family mo, ang gastos sa isang buwan ay 20,000. So, ang emergency fund dapat ng family mo times 6, 120,000. Diba? So, pwedeng dalawa, quote-unquote, ang emergency fund mo. Meron kang 60,000 na for personal emergencies and 120,000 for family emergencies. Pero kasi, medyo nakakalito yun, no? Dalawa pa siya. But it really depends on the person. If you just consider, magkano ba yung nagagastos ko sa isang buwan? So, 30,000 lahat yung nagagastos mo. It's for personal and for your family. So, 30 times 6, 180,000. So, at least isang savings account lang yun, 180,000 nandun lahat. And it's just you trying to manage it if there's an emergency. Because very rare na magkaroon ng personal emergency at saka family emergency at the same time. If there's a family emergency, alam mo yun, usually yun yung ipaprioritize mo rather than your personal emergency. So, depende na rin siguro kung ano yung capacity mo na i-manage siya. But if you want things to be simple, pwedeng isa lang yung emergency fund. Just look at magkano ba talaga yung ginagamit ko, gastos ko, yung sa necessary expenses sa isang buwan, regardless kung necessary expense ba ito ng family ko or ng sarili ko. But if you want to be more detailed about it, ganun siya, personal at saka for family or for your financial dependence. Yung plan mo sana for personal stuff, baka hindi siya emergency fund. It's more of personal fund, no? Entertainment fund. Kasi meron akong ganyan. Sa budget ko, nag-aalat ako ng a certain amount na tinatago ko for quote-unquote unplanned purchases, no? Mga impulsive purchases. Katulad ngayon, no, 11/11. Tapos pag meron ako nakita na parang hindi ko naman planado na bilhin ito or wala naman talaga akong balak bilhin ito pero parang gusto kong bilhin, titingnan ko yung personal, well, I call it my entertainment fund. So kung meron pang extra yon, I just buy it. So baka yun yung personal stuff na iniisip mo, something, mga unplanned purchases, pwede mo definitely gawa ng budget yan. Okay? So after allocating money for your necessary expenses, yung matitira doon for your wants, di ba? So pwede mo pang i-further, you can still further divide that na wants for the family, wants for yourself, and then wants na / charity. I know people na nag-allocate this sa budget nila for mga charitable expenses, no, or mga pantulong sa iba, no? So depende sa iyo.